So we saw in the previous video how ES6 introduced the internationalisation object, which allows you to format numbers based on a geographical location, such as being in the US, Germany or the UK. And the formatter object that we create allows us to format our number like a currency or a percentage, but we might also want to format our date strings that we work with in JavaScript. And luckily, along with the number formatting, we can also create a new datetime format object and specify a certain localization. So as with the number formatter, we create a new object and store it into a variable, and then call a format function on that variable and pass in a date object. So as you can see from the output on the right hand side, the string that we get back is formatted to how a user in the US would expect to see today's date. But if we change our localization to, say, the UK, you'll see the month and the day value flip over, as here in the UK, the day of the month is actually the first value that we have, or at least the first value that we're used to seeing when dealing with dates. Of course, other countries have other conventions for formatting their dates. For example, looking at Germany again, you can see the separator that's used is a period instead of a forward slash. So the internationalization object provides these datetime formatting functions to provide a convenient way of formatting date times depending on a particular localization.